Hello and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the swirl flap rod replacement bush kit for Vauxhall, Saab and Alfa Romeo 1.9 diesel engines. A common fault with the original rod is that the plastic bushes wear over time and the rod pops off. Firstly, you will need to remove the old rod. This should be fairly easy as the plastic bushes from the original rod should be worn and the rod should pull off, as demonstrated. Our bushes are made of billet brass, which replace the original plastic items. Firstly, you have to remove the old bushes. This can be done with a pair of snips to cut away the plastic, or alternatively, a Dremel tool with a cutting blade to carefully cut away the plastic. Don't damage the metal. Once the bushes are cut away, you can now see the holes where the new bushes will attach. The first thing you need to do is remove the screws from our bushes using a small Allen key-headed screwdriver. The next stage is to refit the bushes to the bar using the screws that you just removed. We recommend using thread lock on all the screws to help keep them in place over time. Here you can see the completed bar with all 4 bushes now attached. The rod can now be reinstalled onto the manifold. This is literally just a push and fit operation. Now the rod is secured in place, you can test it by moving the lever at the bottom of the picture to rotate the swirl flaps, showing the rod moving all 4. This should last the lifetime of the vehicle, as the new bushes are much harder wearing than the original plastic items. And that concludes the video for the inlet rod operating bushes. If you have any questions or would like any advice, please don't hesitate to contact us at sales@x8r.co.uk or telephone us on 01843 446643. Thank you.